Hi everyone, how are you? Hope that you are all doing good. Do you know what are perfect cubes or cube numbers? Are you facing any difficulty in finding cube roots of perfect cubes? Don't worry guys, this is Pradeep, a maths mentor. Here in this video, I am going to tell you a simple trick in finding cube roots of perfect cubes. Before that, what are cube numbers or perfect cubes? A number is multiplied by 3 times. When a number is multiplied by itself 3 times is called a perfect cube or cube number. Let us see some examples. If 2 is multiplied by 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cubed, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 2 cubed is nothing but 8. If 6 is multiplied by 3 times, 6 cubed, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 260. So like this, when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times is called perfect cubes or cube numbers. Now let us see 1 cube is nothing but 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. Now I will ask you a question. How many perfect cubes are there below 100? There are 4 perfect cubes below 100. What are those? 1, 8, 27 and 64. Now, how many perfect cubes between 1 to 1000? Including 1000, there are 10 perfect cubes. What is cube root? In my last video, I have already discussed that finding a square root is nothing but inverse operation of finding square. Similarly, here also, finding a cube root is nothing but inverse operation of finding cube. What does it mean? Let us see some examples. 4 cube is nothing but 64. Now, cube root of 64 is 4. So, cube root is nothing but inverse operation of finding cube. It means that cube root of 64 is nothing but 4. Similarly, 6 cube is nothing but 216. Now, cube root of 216 is equal to 6. So, like this. So, finding a cube root is nothing but the inverse operation of finding cube. Now, let us see cube roots of some numbers. Cube root of 1, 1. Cube root of 8. See here, cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. Similarly, cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 125, 5. Cube root of 216, 6. Similarly, cube root of 343, 7. Cube root of 512, 8. Cube root of 729, 9. Cube root of 1000 is equal to 10. Before going to learn how to find the cube roots of the given numbers up to 6 digits, Let us try to understand how these cubes are ending with the digits. See here cube root of 1 ending with the digit 1. Here also 1331 ending with the digit 1. The result is also ending with the same digit. It means that if a given number ends with the units digit, then the cube root of that number is also end with the same digit. So here one gets the same number. Now see here the number ends with the digit 8. Here also 1728 ends with the digit 8. What is its result? Cube root of 8 is nothing but 2. Here, cube root of 1728 is nothing but 12. It means it ends with the digit 2 in its units place. So here we can understand if a number ends with the digit 8, then the cube root ends with the digit 2. Now see here 27 ends with the digit 7. The cube root of that number ends with the digit 3. So similarly here 4 ends with the same 4. 5 ends with the same digit. 6 we can get 6. 3 here 343 ends with the units digit by 3, then the cube root of 343 is nothing but 7. So if the given number has 3 in its units place, then the cube root of that number ends with the digit 7 by its units place. So here 3 we can get 7 as the answer. So for 7 we can get 3, for 3 we can get 7. So double implies. Now here 512 ends with the digit 2, then the cube root of 512 is 8. So if a number ends with the digit 2, we can get cube root of that number ends with the digit 8. So here we have already seen if a number ends with 8, we can get 2 units answer. So here double implies 8 2 2 8. Got it? Now here 9 we can get 9. So if a number ends with the digit 9, then the result of that number also ends with the digit 9. 0 we can get 0. So from this we can understand the numbers ends with the digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Then the cube roots of that numbers will also end with the same digits. But here in case of 2 and 3, 7 and 8, we can get like this. It means that 2, 8, 3, 7. So if we remember this, if we remember these 2 points, we can find the cube root of any number up to 6 digits very easily. If you remember the cube numbers up to 10, you can easily find the cube roots of 3-digit numbers very easily. Okay, now let us go through cube roots of 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. See here, cube root of 2197. Now, these 3 numbers as one part and the remaining 2 as one part. Make it two parts. Now here the number ends with the digit 7. We have already know that if a number ends with the digit 7, then the result of that number will end with the digit 3. So here the units place is 3. Now here this 2 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1, 2 cube is nothing but 8. So 2 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. But here we have to take the smallest one. So take 1. So cube root of 2197 is nothing but 13. See one more example here. Last 3 digits as one part. So here the number ends with the digit 9. We know that we can get 9 in its units place. Now what about this number? We know that 6 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. So here the smallest one is 1. So cube root of 6859 is equal to 19. See how simple it is. Let us see one more example. Take the last 3 digits as one part. Here the given number 5832 ends with the digit 2. We know that if a number ends with the digit 2, then the square root of that number ends with the digit 8. So here the units place is 8. Now just before we have seen that this 5 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. So we have to take the smallest number. So cube root of 5832 is equal to 18. See how simple the solution is. Now let us see cube root of 5 digit numbers. The same process also we will continue here. Here last 3 digits. Here the number ends with the digit 4. We can get 4 in its units place. Now what about this 13? This 13 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So 13 lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. So now here we have to take the smallest number 2. So cube root of 13,824 is equal to 24. Similarly, here the number ends with the digit 6. We can get 6 in its units place. Now 46. So 46 lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So 46 lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. So here we have to take the smallest number 3. So cube root of 46,656 is equal to 36. See here. Here the given number ends with the digit 8. So we can get in its answer units place is nothing but 2. We have already see that. Now 74. Where it is lies between. 74 lies between 4 cube and 5 cube. See here 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So 74 lies between 4 cube and 5 cube. So we have to take the smallest number. So cube root of 74,088 is equal to 42. Now see cube root of 6 digit numbers. See here. Here the number ends with the digit 6. So we can get 6 units answer as units place. Now what about this 175? And where does it lies? 175 lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 125, 6 cube is nothing but 216. So 175 lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. So here we have to take the smallest number in tens place. So cube root of 1,75,616 is equals to 56. Now see one more example. Here the number ends with the digit 2. So in the result units digit is 8, because we have already seen that if a number ends with the digit 2, in its result units digit is 8. Now what about 681, and where does it lies? 681 lies between 8 cube and 9 cube. 8 cube is equals to 512 and 9 cube is equals to 729. So 681 lies between 8 cube and 9 cube. So here you have to take the smallest number. So cube root of 6,81,472 is equal to 88. Now see one more example. Here the units place is 3. So in its result we can get 7 in its units place, because we have already seen that. So now what about 912? 912 lies between 9 cube and 10 cube. See here, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. So 912 lies between 9 cube and 10 cube. So we have to take the smallest number in tens place. So cube root of 9,12,673 is equals to 97. So by using this simple trick, we can solve the given numbers up to 6 digits very easily. Dear students, if you spend 1 hour time some problems like this, you can get good commanding over this trick of finding cube roots of perfect cubes. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.